and it has arrived, man. Hyphy greens, Hyphy fruits. That whoa! Look at that boy. A super sport on there. I've never seen it like that.
Oh, he loves his emblems.
What's up with the guys? Your boy here, Khalid Muscle. I got exciting news today, man. We just came to the warehouse and it has arrived, man. Hyphy greens, Hyphy fruits. Oh man, we've been waiting on this for about 10 years, man. You know, it got manufactured in a special facility, and we went and we watched over them from every bottle. Because y'all know, as you may or may not know, you know, I gotta be on my health now. I had a heart attack, and you know, they had to put some Roto-Rooter in there, unclog it, and we good as new now. And I gotta watch what I put in my body. So of course, you know, being a busy guy I am, we film all day, every day. I still got to get in my fruits and veggies. So when I'm on the go, I just dump it in some water or some orange juice or apple juice, whatever type fruit you like, or water, and we get our daily equivalent. And so the good thing about this is we made it to where it's just $1 a day. You know what I mean? A lot of you guys might go to Starbucks, might spend a lot on who knows what type of food. Make sure you're getting your fruit and veggies, you know, and it's only $1 a day per scoop. I made it to where, hey, I know it's hard times financially, but I understand. You know what I mean? I've been from the bottom to the top, however you want to say it, and I understand people and how much their money means to them, especially in this day and time. So make sure you go head out to hyphylife.com, get your greens, get your fruits, and you'll be seeing me taking in my videos, baby. Go to hyphylife.com, use the code YT, and you get a nice discount, man. I love y'all. Order yours today. Let me try the beef. I never tried the beef. Thank you, thank you.
All right, we haven't done this in a while.
Get that oatmeal water.
You say
that watermelon water, you know what I'm saying? See if it tastes like it used to. Ain't nobody messing with that. And just to think, he don't do nothing extra to it. Ah, that's feeling, especially on a hot day like today. That watermelon water. Back at Gyro, man. A lot of people, you know, I've seen a few comments. Oh, today's. I always read the first. Whenever I wake up, is usually after 7 a.m. when the video is posted, daily video. So a few one guy left a whole paragraph. Why Big Boy and Khalid Muscle beefing?
Yeah.
They unfollowed each other, and he came up with some
he had some choice words for him.
Yeah. We just did a video, last week together?
Yeah.
Go be collabing again, bro. Come on, man. That's Kitty, grown man over here. Same with Gyro. I seen some months ago. They don't go to Gyro no more. What happened? Oh. Bro, when y'all become actual grown men, not in your teens, 20s, after your 30s, when bills get real, life gets real. Like, life gets real after 30, bro. Like, your whole perspective on life would change. You ain't gonna be with dudes every day, hanging out, and it's just especially for us, we gotta bring new content. We having fun, we roaming. We don't just sit around messing with anywhere, restaurants or whoever, just every day, all day. We move on, we have fun. That's why we say we're roaming. That need to be one of our sayings, huh?
Yeah, that is.
Which color?
Yep.
Yeah, so we had Gyro, man, for the first time in
months, bro.
I can't even remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't even remember. But yeah, we back, man. We got a gyro with beef. I never had it with beef. Hyphy, what you get?
Falafel.
I never. Oh, so that's made of what?
Chickpeas.
Those balls?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You want one?
Yeah, I'm gonna try one.
Go ahead, take one.
Maybe even a half of one.
It's all good. Take it.
Let me try that. Thank you for this day. Thank you for blessings, watching over us. Thank you for letting us come back to our partner Kiri spot and support. You know, we ask that you bless over our families, friends, associates, business partners. We ask that you watch over the positive people watching this video. Amen. Let's see. So this chickpeas.
Yeah, I believe so.
You believe so? Hold on. You believe so?
Come on, man. You like it?
Yeah, I'm trying to think it tastes like something.
It's vegetarian.
Yeah, ravioli maybe?
Ooh.
Fried vegetarian, huh?
Healthy.
I'm sure this type.
I'm just messing around.
That's good though.
That's not bad.
Different, I never had it. So we got beef, rice, tomatoes, basil.
It's steaming too. It's warm.
Chicken or the.
Damn.
You know, we starving today, man, so. We starving today. Everything getting ate. My boy Carrot. He opened up a new spot, by the way. If you live in the Ventura area, he got a gyro mania out there now. It's third one, man. I must say, well, aside from our business partners, Trent and Robert, that's the hardest working man I know. Hardest working man I know is Miles, Trent, Robert, Big Boy, and Kerry. I can't find it, so I need some more of that.
I'll bring it in, though.
Huh?
I'll tweak it out for you. If you want to.
So let me see. Cause I have another one.
Is that white? Okay. Press it down.
Oh, you gotta do it that many times? Oh, okay. I didn't do it that
Screw
many
it in.
times. Uh-huh.
That will take
And put
anything.
the sprayer thing on it.
Yeah. So also you gotta be careful. These got O-rings right there inside. So if within like I don't know, a couple of months, they tear out because of the pressure.
Oh, it's this one. It's like this one. So it's. Wait, is this
You
one?
got like the small,
No,
the
it ain't.
190s.
Yeah.
They
it's not that
discontinued
one.
the 190s now in California.
The ones I got?
Mm-hmm.
It would be the one I got.
Now they're doing the bigger motors, and the bigger motors we can't even run them in California either.
What?
So now it has to be at 200 at a certain level. You get a
Yeah.
ticket if you're running a bigger motor.
Oh yeah, but mine like this,
Mm-hmm.
and it's when I screw it on, I guess it would be that.
That little piece there,
Uh-huh.
it's gonna be the O-ring. It's not
That's
gonna be
what spray all over the place. Oh damn!
I'm doing the PPF on the whole front end.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I test drove a couple of black ones. I don't like the white. Oh yeah, that's the EXT. That's the big. I'm getting rid of mine. I drove it today.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm about to sell it.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna give me 70,000 for that money.
That's nice.
Wow. Yeah, this mother huge. It don't spray like how you do it.
No?
Nah, that's. I wonder if it's because of all the water leaking.
Yeah,
About,
because you're reducing the pressure.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, if not, let me know one of these days. I'll swing by, check the pressure on them.
Yeah, because I have. You don't even have the one I have.
You have one of these, no? Which one do you have?
It's something
It's a
like
little-
this. Yeah.
Oh, you're
Little
probably the one I
snuggle.
have inside, the one I use.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we don't sell that one no more. It was,
Look at that. Y'all discontinue all the bad.
no, that was actually the best one.
Oh, it is?
We got lucky because now nobody can get those. They were like,
Man,
they
they don't-
raised up the price like $80 for those. So we stopped carrying them. Nobody's
Oh,
gonna want to
okay.
pay $80 for them. The little small one and the big O-ring.
Then employee discount.
The bins, water spraying everywhere. I felt ghetto than a mother. Ooh, look at that boy. What's that? Nitrous or something?
I think it's the windshield wiper.
I thought that boy had some nitrous up in there.
I don't know much.
Yeah. What is this?
1966
Uh-huh.
Chevy Impala.
What you doing to it?
Correction and ceramic coating.
Oh, okay. Old school. They love their old school cars, man. Oh, there's some nice wheels on there, too.
Out of Bel Air, that thing was like $175,000 Bel Air here.
Oh, Bel Air? Yeah.
Everything. They put a LS3 engine.
Oh,
Corvette engine in there. Yeah.
It's nice, though. I like the Super Sport on there. I've never seen it like that.
Oh, he loves his emblems. He loves emblems.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
You can say anything. You can say pancakes on the side. He'd like it.
Nice. Them wheels. I love that.
It's got that old school sound. You open up that door.
I don't know if it's the original material, but
Look like it.
it smells like it.
Oh yeah, it's got that old school smell too. Yeah.
It's got the same like tail lights as the lowrider Impala.
Damn, those are
Oh,
dope.
yeah. Damn.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.